Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to disable the editing access into your Google Sheets documents by iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is find out the documents that you want to disable the edit access. So here is the documents that I want to show you. Let's open it, and after you open, you just need to take a look on this top right corner. There will be like several symbols that you can access, and to disable the editing sections you just need to go click this people with the plus symbols right here to manage the access. And I'll visit the manage the access by click it, and you can see that here written anyone with the link, so just need to go click it. Whenever you already spread out this document out into people, now you can make it like or disable the editing part by click with anyone with the link here and change from this into restricted. And now no one's gonna able to edit the documents. So that's the way how to disable the edit access of your documents. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.